Good morning, children. Children, in this video, I will discuss chapter 22 on the move again, where we will see the difficulties faced by the people because they have to go out for work, they have to go to some other place, leaving their village and family behind. So, here is a story of a boy Dhanu and Dhanu's village. Today, all relatives have come to Dhanu's house to celebrate the festival. Dashera is coming. So, to celebrate Dashera, all relatives have come at Dhanu's house. They have come with their luggage in their bullock carts. They have come with their luggage in their bullock carts. They all have come with their luggage. And Dhanu's father is the eldest in the family. Dhanu's father is eldest one in the family, and that is the reason all the festivals are celebrated at Dhanu's house. Dhanu's mother, that is I, wife of mother's brother, that is Mami, and wife of father's brother, that is Kaki. You all know, children, I, Kaki, Mami, yes, and it's a Maharashtrian family because Dhanu's mother, Dhanu used to say his mother, I. So it's a Maharashtrian family. So these ladies are busy in making Puran Poli, and you all know Puran Poli. Puran Polis are the sweet rotis made from jaggery and gram. Yes, Puran Polis are the sweet rotis which are made from jaggery and gram. You all know how your mother must be preparing Puran Polis. Using jaggery means good, and gram means the paste is prepared from the chana dal, right? Gram means the chana dal. Along with this, a spicy kadhi. You all know, children, about kadhi. Dish is also made. The day passes in laughing and chatting because they all are together. So the day passes laughing, chatting together. But what happened suddenly by evening, everyone's mood changes because the women and children begin to pack their luggage. So what was the reason that suddenly their mood changes? Because today is their meeting with a person, Mukadam. All the men sit down to have a meeting with Mukadam. You can see in this picture, children, this person sitting in the center is Mukadam, and other villagers, you can see all the men sitting around. So here is a meeting with this person Mukadam, who is actually one agent who lends money or who gives loan to these villagers. The Mukadam gives the details of the loan taken by each family. So why this meeting was conducted? Because he was going to tell the villagers that how much money they have taken or borrowed from him, how much loan they have taken. So to give all details, the meeting was conducted. Then the talks for the next few months begin. The Mukadam explains to the villagers in which areas they would go for the next 6 months. Now, this was also the meeting so that the villagers will be going where for the next coming 6 months or few months, so that Mukadam will tell to villagers, because Mukadam gives money to the villagers and villagers have, on behalf of that, villagers have to work for Mukadam, right? So Mukadam will tell that now in which area the villagers have to go for the coming 6 months after the Shahra. He also gives them some money as loan for their expenses, and for that purpose, because these villagers have to go somewhere to work, and for their expenses means, children, whatever they will need to spend money for their basic needs to fulfill, the money is given, some amount of money is given by Muqaddam as loan. As loan means, children, what do you mean by loan? You all know, children, that we can take loan from bank. So what is actually a loan? Loan is an amount of money. It is an amount of money which we can take with some interest, and we have to return it with that interest. So it means that, for example, if you have taken a small amount, then you will return that amount back within some period of time, but with that you have to pay some extra amount, that is your interest. So children, now we have the facilities by the government. We have banks that we can take loan from bank. The process is same. We have to take loan from the bank, amount, whatever amount is required, and the conditions are applied there. So we can take amount, but we have to give return amount along with some interest amount to the bank within some duration. But earlier days, as we can see in Dhanu's village, earlier times, if you have seen, children, in some old serials or movies, that poor farmers, villagers, they were taking money from the rich farmers or rich people. They were borrowing money from them, and they have to keep their some property, their land, farming land, as mortgage. Mortgage means they have to keep by taking money, they will give their land for security purpose, that if they are not able to pay that money back, then the rich person will take their land, right? So this is all about loan. Now he also gives them some money so that they can have they can buy their basic needs or fulfill their basic needs. Even since Dhanu remembers, this has been the routine. Families like Dhanu's work on the lands of big farmers till Dashera, before the rainy season. Many other families also work on such lands. They earn just enough money to keep them going through these months. So what happens actually, this is a routine followed by all the villagers in Dhanu's village, that till Dashera these farmers work on big on the lands of big farmer. Till Dashera they will work, and whatever money they earn from that, they will utilize that money for getting their basic needs or fulfill their basic needs. So this will be done, and till these 6 months they will be working there. But what after that? But how to manage the remaining 6 months after this? So where when there is no rain and no work in the fields, then how they are going to manage the coming 6 months? So now they borrow money from Muqaddam, and to pay back this money they have to work for Muqaddam. Are you all getting, children? That before Dashera these people work on the lands of big farmer, and then they earn some money to fulfill their basic needs. But then after Dashera, the coming 6 months, when there is no work in the fields and farms, these people, they borrow some money from Muqaddam, and then they work to pay back, they work for Muqaddam. And who is Muqaddam? Muqaddam is the agent who lends money to these villagers, and he is actually agent for the sugarcane factories. He is agent from the sugarcane factory. So he gives money to villagers, and villagers have to work for him in the sugarcane factory. He helps them to find work in sugarcane factories or sugarcane fields. So this way Muqaddam helps actually helps the farmers. Now tell, did all the farmers in Dhanu's village have their own land? So do you think that all the farmers in Dhanu's village, they have their own land? No, not at all. That is the reason that the villagers work on the lands of big farmers, right? During what time of the year did Dhanu's family get work in the village? Till 6 months. Yes, till Dashera, 6 months they get work in the fields and farms of big farmers in the village itself. So that's those 6 months they will be staying in the village only. But during what time did they not have work? But after Dashera, 6 months they do not have any work. Do you know of any families like Dhanu's who have to leave their villages for months in search of work? Do you know families like Dhanu's? So I think children, you all know that there are many people, those who have come to city. We can see in our place also, in Nagpur also, you will see the people who are living on the streets. They have come from some villages. In search of work, they have come to this city place. Yes. Now think and find out, if people in Dhanu's village did not leave the village in search of work, what difficulties would they face in their own village? If Dhanu's village people will not leave the village, then what type of difficulties they will face? Definitely they will not get money. They will not have money because there is no work. So how they will earn money, right? And if there is no money, how they will fulfill their basic needs? So therefore they have to leave the village and go somewhere else to work and earn, right? In Dhanu's village, there can be no farming when there is no rain. Do you think farming can be done even without rainwater? How? So yes, children, if there is no rain, then also many crops are grown in the field, because the crops are also divided into two categories, where some crops need more water, they are grown in the rainy season, and where the crops need less water for growing them. So these crops are grown in the other seasons like summer season. So there are some crops which are grown without rainwater, which the crops which need less water, right? And if crops need water, if they need little amount of water, we can provide the little amount of water from some other sources, right? Now in next few months, Dhanu, his parents, his kaka and his two elder children, his mama, mami and their two daughters and 40-50 other families from the village will stay away from the home. See children, these all people like Dhanu and his parents, kaka means father's brother and his two elder children, and mama, mami, then their daughters, and again 40-50 families of the village, they will go to some other place working on the sugarcane fields. They have to leave their village and family behind. In these 6 months, Dhanu and many children like him will not be able to go to school because they are going some other place. So they cannot attend the school in the village. And Dhanu's old grandmother, aunt who cannot see, and 2-month-old cousin sister would stay back in the village. But see, Dhanu's old grandmother, she is very old, and aunt who cannot see, and even 2-month-old cousin sister, they will stay back in the village itself. They will not go with Dhanu's parents to some other place. They will stay in the village itself. In other homes too, the old and the ill people stay behind. Even with the other families, same, that those are in other families also, if there are old people and if some are not well, these people will also stay back in the village, but rest of the people will go to other place, wherever Mukadam will say them to go. Actually, they will go to work on the sugarcane fields. Then Dhanu always keeps wondering who will take care of his grandmother. Dhanu misses his grandmother a lot, and but what can Dhanu do? Now see, Dhanu thinks about his grandmother, that she is very old, then who will take care of grandmother? But he cannot do anything because the villagers and family, they have to go to other place, because there they will work and they will earn some money. Think, Dhanu's family and many others from the village go far away for work, but some people stay back in the village. Why does this happen? So now we have discussed, children, that Dhanu and Dhanu's family and many villagers, they are going to some other place for work, but still some people of the family, they are staying back in the village. What was the reason? Because many of them are old, so they cannot be taken to other place. Some of them, they are not well, then they have to stay in the village itself, right? There are some reasons that these people stay back in the village. When Dhanu and other children leave the village for 6 months, what happens in the school village? Definitely the school village will remain closed, because the children are going to other place with the parents, and they will not attend the school for 6 months. What arrangements are made at your home for old and unwell family members when everyone goes for work? What arrangements are made at your home for old and unwell family members when everyone goes to work? So definitely, children, in your home also you must be having your old grandparents and some old relatives. So definitely, if they are old and if they are not well, then some arrangement is done so that they can get all the required arrangement, as well as some treatment or some medicines, and their food, everything will be available for them all the time. Or if possible, someone is there to look after them if others are going for work. So arrangement is done, right? Now after Dashera, what happens? The Karwa of these families would now settle near the sugarcane fields and sugar factories. Now these people, those who are going, this we called as Karwa. If I am not wrong, children, Karwa you have also studied in that every drop counts, that chapter. That Karwa means the group of people, those who travel from one place to other place in search of work. Yes, group of people. So these are also the villagers, they are going in a group. So this Karwa is going to that sugarcane factory, near sugarcane factory and sugar field. So they are going to stay there for coming 6 months. For 6 months they would stay in their huts made up of dry sugarcane and its leaves. So they are going to make the temporary huts with sugarcane leaves and dry sugarcane. They are the temporary huts. As you have seen the people, those who have come from other place in our city, so you see these people stay on the streets. They have their tents, they make their tents. Yes, these are the temporary houses. So they make such temporary house, and the men will get up early in the morning and go to cut sugar canes in the fields. So all the men, what is their work? They will get up early and they will go to cut the sugar canes in the field. And what the women will do, women and children will do, the women and children tie the bundles of sugar cane. What is their work now? Children and the women, they will make the bundles of these sugar cane. What the men will do, men will go early morning, they will cut the sugar canes, and these children and the women, they will make the bundles of the sugar cane. These bundles then are taken to the sugar factory. These bundles will be taken to the sugar factory where the sugar is made. Dhanu often goes with his father Dhanu also sometimes goes with his father. Sometimes they spend nights outside the factory on bullock carts. Sometimes they have to spend the night outside this factory on their bullock carts. There, Dhanu plays with the bullocks and wanders around. There, Dhanu plays with the bullocks and then wanders around the area near the sugar factory. Now, what happens at the factory? Dhanu's father gets the sugar cane weighed, takes a receipt. They show this receipt to the agent, who then keeps an account of their loan. Now, the bundles made, these bundles will be taken to the factory. Then the men, like Dhanu's father, the sugarcane bundles will be weighed, that how much sugarcane is brought to the sugar factory, and then a receipt will be given to the villagers, like a receipt will be given to Dhanu's father, that how much sugarcane was weighed. That receipt will be given. So its receipt is just like, children, you know that when we get a bill, yes, a note to say how much sugarcane they have. So this receipt is actually a proof that how much sugarcane they have given. That is a proof. This receipt is a proof. They show the receipt to the agent, that is Muqaddam, then who keeps the account of their loan, that this much of sugarcane was given. So he'll keep the record of this, that how much loan was taken and how much work is done by the family. The agent also gives them some money for the next week's expenses. Now for the coming week's expenses means, children, kharche, that how much they will need money for their basic needs, right? So the they will be given some more amount for the coming weeks, because they will stay there for coming 6 months. Then Dhanu's I and Mami take the children to the nearby village market to buy atta and oil for the next week. So when the money will be given by Muqaddam for the coming weeks, then the ladies will go to the market and they will buy some necessary things like atta, that is flour, and oil for cooking purpose. They will go to the market and they will buy all these necessary things. Sometimes Mami buys laddus or some sweets for the children. Sometimes if they think that some money is left, then they also buy laddus and some sweets for children. She also buys pencils, erasers and a notebook for Dhanu. Then sometimes Mami buys pencil, eraser, notebook for Dhanu. Why she does this? After all, he is Mami's favorite, because Dhanu is Mami's favorite. So Mami always she always buy some things like eraser, pencil, notebook for Dhanu. And what is the reason behind this? The reason is that, but Dhanu won't be using these for 6 months, because he is not going to school for coming 6 months, because he won't be going to school. But why Mami buys pencils and erasers and notebook, that is discussed in the coming paragraph, that we will be discussing in our next video, children. Thank you.